Welcome to 4106 Carolina Drive in Addis, Louisiana. Walking through the front door, you will instantly be drawn to the custom millwork that runs throughout this home. The main living area is painted in a neutral color palette and features crown moldings. Raised ventless fireplace and high-quality laminate flooring has been installed. Stepping towards the kitchen, you'll notice the built-in build desk with raised cabinetry. The open concept takes you to the kitchen that boasts many upgrades, including Cypress slab granite with Travertine backsplash, a walk-in pantry and built-in stainless steel appliances. The large master bedroom is in a neutral color palette, has wooden encased windows, tray ceilings and laminate flooring. Heading to the ensuite master bathroom, you'll love the custom lighting. His and her vanity sinks and a large jetted soaking tub. And a standalone shower. The two guest bedrooms come fully carpeted with encased window trim, mounted ceiling fans, lots of storage space with all wood shelving closets. The full guest bathroom separates the two guest rooms. It has one vanity sink, painted wooden cabinetry and a shower tub combination. As we enter the backyard, you will love the all-brick exterior with covered patio area that has gas and cable hookups, and an oversized two-car rear garage. The HVAC system by TRANE and Seller has had the AC cleaned and serviced. 4106 Carolina Drive in West Baton Rouge is in the Sugar Mill Plantation and is ready for your private showing today.